once you've mixed your flour, so that's flour, water and salt, and people go, oh, salt. You need salt in bread. If you don't put salt in bread, you may as well eat cardboard because it's tasteless, okay? And the amount of salt you're putting in is 20 grams per 2 loaves of a kilogram, so 10 grams per kilogram of bread. It's minimal, okay? So if you've got a problem with salt, get over it, because if you don't get over it, you won't bake good, tasty sourdough bread.
What's it called? Sea salt?
I use that pink
Himalayan.
Yeah, I use that. Don't use when you start on the process or the journey, that A, you follow the recipe, and B, you weigh everything. All right? Don't think, and they don't talk about 2 cups of flour, half a cup of blah, blah, blah. It's all done on quantity. So I can get 2 of these, I get 4 loaves. You need a scraper, okay?
Does it have to be ceramic?
Doesn't have to be. That's one of your best friends. A scraper is really important. You use it for basically scraping the inside of your bowl to get the dough that's stuck. Essentially, flour and water, when it dries, is what? Glue. It is glue, and it sticks to everything. Rachel goes on and on at me about my glue all over the place. You've got to scrape it off with something, okay? So that's your best friend, and then I use that for cutting my dough. Dough that's been through the stretch and fold process, and I'm just going to show you how I shape my dough. This is the initial shaping, so I've split it in half, and that's about 1 kilogram weight. So I've got 2 loaves at 1 kilogram of weight, and this is what I use to do my initial shaping. I use my scraper, metal scraper, and I quickly do this, just round like that, and it brings it together like a nice ball and gets it nice and smooth and gets rid of any imperfections, just like that. It doesn't take you long, doesn't stick, you don't need any flour, you don't need any water, you don't need any oil, and that's it. It's your initial shape, and I've got 2 balls there, which I'll leave to rest for half an hour, and then I'll do the final shaping. Okay. This is an interesting tool. I don't use it. I should try it one day. People say they're really useful. It's a mixer, a stirrer, like that. And I just give it a wee shake like that. You can see how it's not shaggy anymore. The gluten's developing.